Hello, this is Gary Naxted of NorCal Ovenworks, and here we've got a brick-lined fireplace with a grill insert in it. So looking at this, you see that the fireplace is completely brick-lined on the floor, left, right, and rear. And then in this particular case, we have installed an Argentine grill with a V-grate and a drip pan on the right-hand side. Daniel's trying to take the drip pan in and out while holding the camera in his other hand. And then we have a braziero. In this case, we made it freestanding. It just as easily could have been welded to the side. But here you have it. This is a configuration that is quite common on the patios in Argentina. Um, there are companies in Argentina that make these kind of grills. Um, we have made ours with the idea that it can be under a patio, but the other thing is that this grill can actually be installed outdoors. The paint on there is 1800 degree ceramic paint. Okay, so we've got 1800 degree ceramic paint. We've been testing this paint for the last 8-9 months uh, by letting samples out. We cut out 6x6 panels of this, and we left the paint out in the Texas weather since about January, and it's been quite effective. Anyway, you see, this is a standard. We could have brushed the dust from the bricks out of that drip pan, but yes, this grill also can come unlined, and it can come with Argentine grill grates in there, Santa Maria grills, um, Braai's, Uruguayan grills. We'll put whatever kind of grill you want inside of this fireplace. It also can come with a base, or you can set this on your own platform. It's really up to you, but this is a nice little product line if you want to just put a fireplace outdoors. And it really isn't, I mean, it is a fireplace, but it's also got a grill inside of it. And most localities um, that have a rule against um, outdoor wood-fired fireplaces um, will recognize this in many cases, in almost all cases that I'm aware of, as a cooking appliance. So there we have it. NorCal Oven Works signing off.